my name is Elizabeth Suj, and today I went ahead and created this look using the newly launched Golden Twilight palette. If you want to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. Taking Studio Pro brush number 5, I'm going to dip into the medium brown shade and apply that into my crease. Now we're going to grab our Marble Luxe brush number 9 and dip into the dark brown shade and apply that into our outer crease. Taking Signature Rose Gold brush number 7, I'm going to take the blue shade and apply that all over my lid. Now we're going to take Signature Rose Gold brush number 8 and the dark brown shade and apply it to our lower lash line. Taking Signature Rose Gold brush number 10, I'm going to apply the golden shade into my inner corners. Now we're going to apply our Stellar Lash Mascara. And here we have the final look using the newly launched Golden Twilight palette. Don't forget to hashtag BH Cosmetics so we can see your creations.